Go. You are traveling on an e-rickshaw and suddenly the battery of the e-rickshaw gets shut down with a single application remotely. It seems like an interesting hacking hack, right? Hacking trick that you hack the battery of an e-rickshaw. You have heard about BAT BMS application that can that can disconnect the battery of the e-rickshaws, and BAT BMS has now become one of the hot headlines topics in all social media platforms. But as a cybersecurity researcher, I realized that people are focusing on different question. Yeah, I agree that it's affecting the work of the e-rickshaw drivers. But do you think that this application is not harmful? What I have noticed that an APK can take access to your mobile phones. A wrong APK can take access to your mobile phones. I am not saying that the official bad BMS app is taking over your mobile phones or it's illegal. But as per the government norms, this application has been removed from all official sites. Either it's the Play Store or it's the App Store. But to use this, what people are doing, they are downloading this APK from third party apps like Telegram or any other websites. That can be trusted, that cannot be. In this malicious app, what's happening? That if you are downloading this from a third party application, it can be a chance where cybercrime can trigger. How? Let me explain. The real official bad BMS application can be useful, but the malicious APK looks just similar to the original one. So if you download, a slight change into that APK can take over the location of your application, can take over the location of your mobile phone, can take over the data that is present into your mobile phones, and boom, everything is gone. So what perspective as per me is, before downloading any application, make sure you trust the source it is being downloaded, because for malicious APK can download malicious malwares, can create a backdoor that can generate other loopholes into your mobile phones to gain access. So always before downloading any APK, be sure that you trust the source. Always verify it and be protected. For gaining this type of concept, always subscribe me, follow me, connect with me. I will be back to you with this type of interesting facts.